Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title, this is going to be a video on how to overcome trauma. I know that this is a little bit different than what we usually discuss on this channel, but I've noticed in tarot we tend to focus on the outcome, what's coming towards us, who's waiting for us, what increase is coming in, who is receiving their karma for the wrong or the harm that they have done to us. But we never talk about how that affects us on a soul and spiritual level. And I really want to offer more videos to you guys that focus more on healing, also that focus on how to cope with the experiences that we go through in this lifetime, okay? And just some background information about me. My chosen field has been community outreach and mental health for several years. I have a master's degree in psychology. I truly believe that my sole purpose is to help people find peace mentally, physically, and spiritually. And I want to share those tools and experiences with the people that watch my video, okay? But let me know how you guys feel about those videos on this channel, if that's something that you're interested in. Also, if you have any other topics that you would like me to talk about, okay? But I feel like that one of the main things when it comes to healing or overcoming trauma is acceptance, okay? And I know that you guys may be thinking like, well, duh, of course, girl. But I feel like that's the hardest part. I can honestly say, personally, even for myself, that's something that I avoided for a long time. It was easier for me to find distractions. That could be things, that could be people, because we do use people to help keep ourselves occupied and not addressing things in our life. And it took me a while to kind of look myself in the mirror and say, I experienced some things, they did happen, and it did affect me, okay? And I feel that that is the first step in that process, and it's groundbreaking, very, very groundbreaking, okay? Because a lot of times, especially in tarot, we are hoping or wanting to know when we will experience life or love, or it could be life as well too, since I said that, but a shift or increase in our life. But a lot of times spiritually, we aren't ready for those things because we haven't allowed other things to exit our life that no longer serve us, which usually is that pain and hurt that comes from trauma or from past experiences that we have lived through. So once we're able to release those things because they no longer serve us, and usually they're very toxic and very negative, we can allow positivity and more love into our lives, okay? These videos will probably be very short, you guys. This is something that I'm trying out, and I'm just going to go with the flow. It's going to be very raw and very intimate, no scripts, no cards, nothing like that, okay? And it'll be like a series, if I didn't already say that. So each video will touch briefly on something that can help you heal or to cope, and just how you can do that, okay? And just acceptance, it can be a public thing, but most importantly, it's a personal thing, you guys, okay? So it's something that you just look yourself in the mirror and say, hey, this is who I am and this is where I want to go. Now, what are some steps that I need to do in between to get there? And that's a process, you guys. It's not something that's going to happen overnight. So don't be too hard on yourself or just expect a very quick turnaround, okay? Because that's not really realistic, and it shouldn't really be a goal, okay? It's okay to take your time and things. I feel like that the main purpose is to just acknowledge that the pain is there and that you have experienced something that is possibly still hindering you mentally, physically, or spiritually, okay? If this video resonated with you, please let me know in the comment section below. I love to hear from you guys, okay? And I try to get back to everyone, okay? Also, I would truly appreciate if you guys like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And most importantly, my loves, most importantly, if you have not heard this today, you are loved and you are cherished. Until next time, bye-bye.